So you guys keep asking me how I make my YouTube videos and what tech I use in them. Well, in this video, we're gonna dive into that. This video isn't just going to be your typical tech roundup where I swipe through a bunch of tech and showcase it to you. I'm actually going to break this down into 3 categories so that you guys can see a few options from each category and really understand the importance of using the right tech in your videos. So the 3 categories are audio, lighting, and practical visuals. Each one of these sections, I'm going to give you a few options on tech that's priced at different price points. I'll also help you understand the reason for the tech and how to use it. So let's jump into our first category, audio. Now, as you may or may not be aware, good audio is a crucial aspect of any video production. Most viewers will put up with bad footage or low quality footage, but they won't put up with bad audio. So having a good microphone that can capture your audio is probably one of the most important bits of tech for making videos for YouTube or social media. So I wanted to show you guys 2 great microphones here that I think will really help you with great audio. The first microphone is what I call a plug and play microphone, and it's called the Rode SmartLav Plus. Now, this is a great option for anyone looking to record high quality audio on their smartphone. The lavalier microphone attaches easily to your clothes and you just plug it in directly to your smartphone. It's also compatible with a wide range of recording apps, so you can use it with whatever software you prefer. I like this option because you can record clean audio straight into your smartphone and you don't need any other recording devices. You then sync the audio with your footage in your editing software and you get clean, crisp audio for a low price tag. Now, the Rode is one of the leading microphone manufacturers in the world, so their microphones are really good quality, so you can't go wrong with a Rode microphone. The second microphone that I wanted to show you guys is called the Synco P1T Wireless Lavalier. Now, this is a great option for those looking for a slightly more professional level of recording. One of the main differences from the Rode SmartLav Plus is that this microphone uses wireless technology and you can connect it directly into your smart device. This is also great if you have another person on set because they can plug in a set of headphones and monitor the audio that is being recorded into the phone. The P1T Wireless Lavalier offers a distance range of up to 150 meters or 492 feet, and it also has low latency. Additionally, it does come with this metal box that it lives in and doubles as a charging box, which I think is really neat. Now that we have covered some audio options, let's move on to our next category, lighting. So if you've been following my channel for a while now, you'll see that I've made a few videos on this topic actually. I think lighting is such a powerful tool for turning any space into a great looking set by simply adding some colored lights to your space. But one of the lights I use in most of my videos, but I've never really talked about, is this bad boy right here. Now, this is an LED light in which I use to create these really cool colored looks that you're seeing on the walls behind me. So the product is from EVC and it's called G2 RGB Video Light. Now, this light is portable and can pretty much be set up anywhere I want in my studio space. I currently have 2 of these lights and I set them up on both sides of my set behind me right here. Now, most people use these lights in video production to light up the person talking to the camera or maybe an object, but I'm using these lights as a colored wall wash LED light. Now, one of my favorite things about this light is the RGB lighting features. It allows me to wash my walls with different colors, giving the background a cool neon look that I really think makes my videos pop and gives a great looking backdrop. Now, in my studio, I use blue and pink on my background, but these lights have a whole RGB spectrum to play with, so you can really customize the color look to fit your setup. In addition to the RGB lights, it also offers different color temperature options as well. So you can pick the color that's perfect for your shot, whether it's a warm sunny day or a cool night scene. Overall, this little light is very powerful and I think it's a must-have light if you're shooting video and want to create a dynamic looking set. Now, before moving on to our next category, I want to tell you about today's video sponsor, Brilliant.org. So Brilliant is a platform that offers new ways to learn subjects that would otherwise seem really difficult, but they help you learn in a fun and interactive way. Now, if you were ever interested in learning about subjects like computer science, math, or even data analysis, Brilliant can help you reach your goals by providing basic to advanced courses on all of these subjects and more. Now, Brilliant has thousands of lessons that make learning feel more like a video game with fun features that let you challenge yourself and compete with others. To try everything Brilliant has to offer, go to brilliant.org/TechSpace for a free 30-day trial. Be one of the first 200 people and you will receive 20% off your annual premium subscription. Well, legends, let's get back into our final category, and that's practical visuals. Now, you may be asking, what are practical visuals? Well, it's basically cool tech that you can place around your YouTube studio or bedroom just to bring some eye candy to your set. For me, I have a few things that you probably already noticed behind me. For example, I have the 55-inch TV screen on a white stand here that I can roll in and out of shot, which is a cool way to bring in some digital artwork and really make that spot pop. I also have some cool lighting from Govee up on the wall behind me, but I get asked a lot if there are any other practical visuals that I think are cool and you guys could use in your own studio setup. Well, I do, and it's this product right here. Now, this tech is called the Pixo 64 digital frame. This bad boy is a clock, a music visualizer, a piece of art, and it's all in one. Now, the Pixo is a vintage style 64 pixel LED screen that can display anything you want. You can display your favorite characters or your own artworks and animations. It also has a variety of templates that can use to show things like your subscriber count, your Twitch live stream count, or even the current weather. Now, with the app, there are thousands of different possibilities and artworks for you to choose from, and you can customize your own logos and digital art. I think the best way to show off this cool bit of tech is to show you a bunch of scenes I set up with different combinations, so enjoy. Well guys, that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed all the cool tech that I use, and hopefully this inspires you for your own YouTube setup. Now, if you do want to check out any of the tech I talked about in this video, I put links to where you can find them in the description below. Well, till next time, I'm Nick Gulliver, this is TechSpace, and I'll see you in the next video.